So welcome back, guys, to your favorite family channel, and the kids are back to class, and it's our usual segment called Yoruba class. So guys, I welcome you back to yeah, clap for yourself there. You guys have to be here. Okay, that's enough.
Me and my people, we go jolly, yo. We the party, yo. We know they send nobody. Cause we get no worries and we get energy. I tell them, land them my follow.
Guys, welcome to
Yoruba class.
Welcome to
Yoruba class.
Welcome to
Yoruba class.
You don't want to learn?
Yeah.
Okay. This uncle doesn't want to learn today. So where do you want to go? You want to go to Mama?
Yeah. Mama.
Yeah, come and learn with us now. Okay. No problem. Guys, let's go. We don't have much time to waste. So on today's episode, we are going to be learning some food items, the names in Yoruba language. In Yoruba language. You see, you are not paying attention. Yoruba language. Kí ni mo wí?
Yoruba
Language. I fẹ́ kọ́ èdè Yoruba. So today we'll be learning some food items, then some animals, what they are called in Yoruba. That will be all for this episode. So we hope you sit back and enjoy the entire video. And if you're coming here for the first time, please hit the like button, share the video. Do not forget to drop your comments if you really like what we're doing, so as to make us improve every time we come your way. So without wasting time, so boys, sit down, Babali. We are back to class. Now we are learning food in Yoruba. Oúnjẹ. What do you call food? Oúnjẹ. Oúnjẹ. So now we'll be learning some food. Are you the teacher?
You don't know nothing, man.
So follow what your teacher is saying. Kí leléyìí o? Adìyẹ.
I say adìyẹ. Du hast nicht
Adìyẹ.
I say it.
Adìyẹ.
Du hast adìyẹ gesagt.
So if you know it, say it. Adìyẹ.
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 That's your turkey, your chicken. When you eat your turkey. I'm going to adìyẹ.
Iso. Nein, nicht Iso.
Kí leléyìí? You know, méjì ẹṣì. Both of you are wrong. Èso.
Iso.
Èso.
Iso.
Èso.
Und nicht Eso.
Nicht ẹ̀sọ́.
Und nicht Iso.
Èso.
Iso.
Èso.
Iso.
Èso. Speak up now.
Iso.
You are in class. You speak
Nein,
up.
nicht Iso.
Èyí tó tẹ̀lé kí leléyìí?
Ìrẹsì.
Let him say it first.
Ìrẹsì.
Ìrẹsì. Ìrẹsì. Say it loud.
Ìrẹsì.
Ìrẹsì. Ìrẹsì.
Ìrẹsì.
Kí ni mo wí o?
Ìrẹsì.
Ìrẹsì. Daniel, kí ló tẹ̀lé?
Sugar.
Sugar.
Sugar. Sugar.
Sugar.
Sugar.
Do you know what sugar is?
Sugar.
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 Sugar, the Germany, you say Zucker. So that's sugar.
Aber hier wird ein Z hier Zucker mit Z.
But èdè Yorùbá, sugar. You are S pẹ̀lú àmì ní ìsàlẹ̀ báyìí. You have a dot under the S. Kí ló tẹ̀lé o, Renard? Kí lélẹ̀? Kí lélẹ̀ Dani? Ilá. Ẹ fẹ́ràn ilá. Ilá is what? What's ilá in English? What does this look like?
Wie eine.
What does it look like?
I don't know.
Okra.
Aqua.
That's your okra. Have you eaten okra before?
Ja.
Do you like eating okra?
Yes, Dad.
It's always sweet.
Papa, Diane sagt, das ist Schokolade.
Irọ́. Kí lélẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ sọ ná ní Yorùbá. Ẹ̀wà. Ẹ̀wà. Ẹ̀wà is beans.
Ẹ̀wà chocolate.
It's not chocolate o. Ọmọ chocolate. Ẹ̀wà. Ẹ̀wà is beans. Have you eaten beans before?
Yes,
So what is it? Mo fẹ́ jẹ ẹ̀wà. Ẹ̀wà. Ìjẹ chocolate. Wọ́n ti fi chocolate sí ẹ.
chocolate.
Sọ pé ẹ̀wà. Say it loud. Ẹ̀wà. Ẹ̀wà. That's beans.
Chocolate.
Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́, chocolate. Kí ló tẹ̀lé o?
Tomati.
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 You all know what that is.
Tomati.
The last one.
Ẹ̀pà.
Ẹ̀pà kọ́. Ẹ̀pà.
Ẹ̀pà.
No. Pa.
Okay.
Pa.
Ẹ̀pà.
Pa. Pa. Ẹ̀pà. No, ẹ̀pà. 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 Ẹ tí mọ̀ pí ẹ tí mọ̀ pé. So kò jẹ́ bó ṣe jẹ́ lórí oúnjẹ. Ní báyìí o a lọ sórí àwọn ẹranko. We will now learn animals in Yoruba. Animals. Àwọn ẹranko. Ẹranko. Daniel, kí ló rí ń bí o? Ajá. What is that? That's a dog. Kí leléyìí?
Ọ̀bọ.
Daniel, bring out the ọ̀bọ. Pàtàkì fúnra ẹ̀. Ọ̀bọ.
Oh no.
What is ọ̀bọ?
An apple.
Monkey.
Ọ̀bọ is a monkey.
Kí ló tẹ̀lé o?
Olúbọ.
Irọ́. Ológbò. Gbò.
Olúbọ is a cat.
Pẹ̀lẹ́.
Nice, not the cat of poop.
Yorùbá ló ń kọ́ ní ìsìn. Cool down. Calm down. Ológbò. No. Gbò. Ala. Gbò. No, ológbò. Ológbò. Okay, let's move on. No problem. I know. Pẹ̀lẹ́, má worry. You will get to know it later. Yeah, kí ló tẹ̀lé? Ológbò is cat. Ológbò is cat. Màálù. What is màálù? That's a cow. Màálù. Ètò tẹ̀lé. Daniel, ó yá gbìyànjú.
Skip kind of.
Daniel ò mọ̀. Ehoro. What is ehoro? Kí ni òyìnbó ẹ̀?
It's a
Rabbit. Ehoro pátá fúnra ẹ̀. Ó yá òyìn tó tẹ̀lé. Ẹ ń pè bí èdè Germany. Ewúrẹ́. That's not V. I know W is V in Germany, but in German language. But this is wu. Ewúrẹ́. What's ewúrẹ́? A goat. Okay, good. Kí lélẹ̀? Daniel. Daniel, kí lélẹ̀? Erin. What's that? Elephant. So Yorùbá sọ pé.
Erin is fear and dieser is auch. Now my English.
Which one? Like which one?
Fear and dieser wenn wir genau von
Irọ́ kò sí irọ́ kò
English
sí mbẹ̀. Elephant, yes. Erin. So kí ló tún tẹ̀lé o? Iro.
God have mercy upon
Agbeni Eshin.
Ẹṣin.
If you see anything with dots, any S with dots is say that. If you see S with dots under it, it's called Eshin.
Ẹṣin.
Eshin.
Ẹṣin.
And that is what?
Àti
That is a horse. That is a horse.
Look at it.
So guys, that is all about some of the animals, and we'll be learning more animals later on, but this is where we want to draw the curtain today. So if you've enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, share, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we drop our video. And this is where we want to call it a day. Until next time, our next Yoruba class. What do we say to our viewers again?
Ó dàbọ̀.
Daniel, you are not good.
Ó dàbọ̀.
Odabo.
Ó dàbọ̀.
Thank you guys.